Okay, so the second way that I'm going to describe to prepare absinthe is called the bohemian method or the Czech method. Okay, now this, obviously this is a method that was invented in Czechoslovakia. I think I already explained in the first video how the absinthe traditionalists really don't appreciate how they feel like the Czechs have bastardized the whole absinthe drinking process. But let's be impartial here and describe how it's done. So what you're going to need is your absinthe glass, sugar, a glass of cold water, a spoon, and a lighter. And yes, we are going to be using fire in this method. So first thing you do is pour your shot of absinthe. Pour it in the glass, like so. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a spoonful of sugar, well, about a half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon to do it right, maybe a tiny bit more. And what you want to do is you want to tilt your absinthe glass. That's how I like to do it anyway. Kind of get the sugar wet with absinthe so it'll light up properly, and kind of dump the excess absinthe off the spoon here, like so. Then what we're going to do is we're going to light it on fire. Come on, light. Okay. As you see, the sugar is caramelizing here as we speak. Actually, I'm going to put that over the glass, so if anything drips, it'll actually drip the sugar into my glass of absinthe there. Now the gist of this is, once this sugar is completely caramelized, I'm going to stir it into the drink. Well, I'm going to blow it out and then stir it into the drink. In this method, we don't want to necessarily light the absinthe on fire. There's a method that I'll be describing later in which we're going to do that, but that's not this one. So, it's getting there, just about. And I think that's pretty good. So we'll stir that in the glass. And you're simply going to pour the cold water in over top of it. Some people like to put a little bit of ice in their absinthe. I'm not one of those. And there it is, voila, ready to drink. Stir and drink. Now, the interesting thing about this method compared to the traditional French method is that the louche doesn't happen gradually. You notice that the drink became opaque in color practically immediately. And that's the big difference between using the bohemian method versus using the French method. And there it is. Ready to enjoy. Cheers. All right.